former U.S. Secretary of State Henry Kissinger on Wednesday expressed his hope that the currently strained U.S.-China relationship be turned into a more positive and coherent direction. Kissinger, 99, made the remarks in his pre-taped video released at the annual gala dinner of the National Committee on U.S.-China Relations.
In my thinking and in my experience, no relation is more essential to the peace of the world and to the progress of the world than the U.S.-China relationship. There are different perspectives at work, but at the same time, modern technology has become so complicated that a war conducted with high-tech weapons is probably beyond the capacity of the leadership of any country to contain. A drift of the United States-Chinese relationship into constant confrontations will have the practical consequence that one of these confrontations will get out of hand. And so the current drift, which started in the previous administration, in the previous American administration, should be stopped and reversed. The world will be grateful if U.S.-China relations can be turned into a more positive and coherent direction.